So take it snapshot, please. This will be very useful for you. Ennead.
Done, sir.
So what happened? Now I'm going to tell you the summary of Ennead. What happened as the war ended? You know, Troy people, they have lost this war. After the 10-year war, ultimately Spartan, they were worried. We are not winning this war. What is the reason? The wall of the Troyes, the wall of the Troy palace. So this palace is having big walls and we are unable to win this war. They hit upon a plan. They announce that we've lost this war and we are going back since we have broken your idols, your god goddesses. For god goddesses, we have prepared this wooden horse. Please take it as a gift. We are moving back. We'll not fight more. So what happened? Roman people, they take it a sign of victory. They say that the Greek, they have left this wooden horse for us. So inside the wooden horse, in the belly of the wooden horse, they leave their best warriors like the Ulysses and Odysseus and rest of the warriors. They leave their warriors inside the belly of this wooden horse. So no, the warriors are inside the belly of this horse. They take the same horse inside the palace at night when they were drinking and making merry that after 10 years they have won this war. They are lucky enough. They have defeated Greek, mighty power of that time. Romans are superior enough. They have won this mighty war with Greek people. But Greek, they had a plan. So when they were making merry, they were enjoying with the female and taking wine, sleeping. They just opened the belly of the horse. They moved out and they started killing and burning the palace. And then they also opened the gate of the palace and all the army of same Greek army, they entered in the palace, killing, raping, and destroying, burning men, women of inside the palace. Ultimately they won. Akli lost his life because king, there was a prince Paris. He hit with arrow on the heel of Achilles. Because I told you there was a myth inside related to the Achilles. No one can kill Achilles, mighty Achilles, only if somebody approach him from heel. So heel was a weak point. There is a myth attached with this heel. This work is Achilles heel. This area is Achilles heel for me. Achilles heels be heel was a point when her mother, she was just dipping him inside the magical river. She was catching her from these two legs. When Achilles was a child, her mother, she got him and dip in the magical rivers. Only heel were not dipping inside it. So that is why these heels are weak enough. Anybody can approach him and kill him. And already that was forecasted by her mother. When you will go to Troy, your name will be remembered Achilles. But Achilles, when you go over there, you will be died because you will be killed over there. He fought very bravely. Ultimately, Greek people, they have won this war. Now it has been forecasted by the god goddesses, supernatural element. You Aeneid, you Aeneas, you will lay the foundation of the Roman empires. You should leave this place and go. First of all, he wants to fight with his people because he was a warrior. After all, he was a warrior and son of the goddess as well. He said that I will not go back. I will fight. But supernatural elements, some god goddesses, they reinforce him. You have to go. He he carries his father's on his head and take his little childs. He takes his little childs along with him and he moves along with his wife. But in the ways, his wife was also killed. He took his father's and his child along with him, and Ascanius. Ascanius is his child. You can see this is Ascanius. His wife, she was killed. And then his father name is, please note his father name. Father name is Anchises. So they both moved on, they sailed toward Italy. But in the way, some supernatural element, they do not reach them on their place. They turned their ship towards Carthage. In Carthage, there he met with one of the queen of the Carthage, whose name was Dido. Dido had her own story. She told her own story. Her father, her brother tried to kill her, and her brother also killed his husband. And she, along with some people, she settled in Carthage island. Over there, she settled her island. Over there, she becomes queens and now ruling the Carthage island. He lived over there. She fell in love. They both enjoyed, because that was due to the Venus, her mother goddess. She infused love in the heart of Dido. Dido wants to live with the this Aeneas. They both lived together, enjoyed, and one day he was just he was sleeping, and ultimately God says, they put idea in his mind that you have to lay the foundation of the room. Why are you wasting your time? He left everything, and now he's moving towards his final journey. They both but Dido is not interested. He should leave her. Finally, he left her, and she takes all the luggage, all the memories of the Aeneas, and she burnt herself along with it. Then he moved forward, and then ultimately Jupiter's, and there is another goddess. There is another goddess, Juno. Juno was the same goddess whom Prince of the Troy, son of the Priams, King Paris, rejected. Now, Juno is also against, because she was rejected that time. Juno takes revenge. Because Aeneas belonged to Troy, and Juno is also taking revenge. So Juno is taking revenge. When he wants to move forward, she turned him towards somewhere else. Same way, now he reached in one of place which is known as the Latium kingdoms. So in Latium kingdoms, he meets one of the Latinus. So Latinus was the king of the Latiums. Over there, Latium already Latium been forecasted by somebody that there will be Aeneas will come over here. He is a godlike power and very great person. He wants that he should marry with his daughter, Lavinia. So Lavinia, she was engaged with one of the person whose name was Turnus. No, Turnus and both they started fighting with each other, but because her mother, Amata, mother of the this lady Lavinia, she's interested that he belongs to Troy people, Roman. He belongs to Troy, and Troy should not get married with her daughters. So she was against. Somehow they agreed upon idea that why both army were fighting with each other. So we arranged dual war with Turnus and the Aeneas. Aeneas and Turnus both fight, and ultimately Aeneas killed the Turnus, and he wins this wars, and he lays the foundation of the rooms. I hope you got the point. I hope you got the summary of this poem, epic poems. You please take snapshots so you may have clear idea. Stay blessed and have a nice time. Tomorrow, inshallah, we'll learn further. Stay blessed.
Thank you, Sir. Assalamu alaikum.